Whether you're fixing, building, or upgrading, the right tool makes all the difference. In this video, we're revealing 12 must-have tools that every handyman should own. These aren't just basics. They're smart, efficient, and built to handle real jobs fast. From essential power tools to multifunctional gadgets you didn't know you needed, this list is all about helping you work smarter, not harder. And tool number 9? It's something professionals swear by, and DIYers always regret not buying sooner. Without further ado, let's get started. Digging post holes, plant holes, or support holes can be physically demanding, especially when working in tough or compacted soil. The ToughBuilt post hole digger offers sharp, powerful digging performance wrapped in a lightweight, durable composite design. Its reinforced riveted blades optimize for penetrating tough soil cut through terrain with ease. The engineered pivot bolt maximizes leverage, ensuring every strike drives deep with minimal effort. Featuring composite handles that resist splintering, corrosion, and rot, this digger stays strong season after season. An oversized, overmolded grip enhances control and reduces arm, shoulder, and elbow fatigue, making steady pounding strikes easier and more efficient. Whether you're digging fence post holes or planting shrubs, the ToughBuilt post hole digger delivers professional-grade durability and ergonomic comfort to help you get the job done faster and with less strain. Accurate leveling is critical for any professional or DIY project, from installing cabinets and doors to framing walls and mounting shelves. The Crescent Lufkin level is a pro handyman's ultimate lifesaver, delivering precision and ease for all your measuring and layout tasks. Featuring enlarged vials, these levels provide clear, effortless visibility, so you never have to squint or second-guess your readings. The high-quality aluminum frame ensures outstanding durability and reliability, even on tough job sites. One standout feature is the rare earth magnetic base, which securely attaches to metal surfaces and keeps your hands free to work more efficiently. Available in multiple sizes, these levels adapt to any project, from framing and installing cabinets to aligning shelves and fixtures. With Crescent Lufkin levels in your toolbox, you can say goodbye to uneven installations and frustrating do-overs. Achieving perfect, accurate leveling becomes a breeze, making this the go-to tool for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Tight spaces and awkward angles are some of the biggest challenges in home improvement and repair. Standard screwdrivers and drivers often can't reach recessed screws behind fixtures, inside cabinets, or in narrow corners, forcing you to improvise or disassemble surrounding parts. The WORX XTD Xtended Reach Driver is the perfect solution for tackling those hard-to-reach places in any home improvement project. Designed with an extended shaft, this innovative driver lets you access tight spots effortlessly, so no corner or awkward angle is off-limits. Its compact design pairs with a powerful motor to deliver impressive performance without sacrificing precision. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing appliances, or installing shelves, the WORX XTD provides the control and strength you need to get the job done right. What really sets this driver apart is its exceptional battery life. Say goodbye to constant recharging and interruptions. The WORX XTD keeps working project after project, so you can focus on completing tasks efficiently. If you want a versatile, reliable driver built for convenience and performance, the WORX Extended Reach Driver has you covered. Cleaning and preparing smaller, hard-to-reach pipe surfaces is often time-consuming and hazardous, especially when traditional blasting tools are too large or create excessive dust. The PiCo pipe blasting tool is a compact, handheld solution designed for cleaning and preparing smaller pipe surfaces that larger equipment can't reach. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it comes in various sizes to match any application. By blasting pressure-controlled aluminum oxide onto the surface, the PiCo pipe delivers a spotless finish equivalent to SA3 SP5 standards, ready for immediate post-treatment. It also treats the edges of any existing paint, leaving behind a superior contact surface for primers or coatings. Pinovo's ATEX certified dustless abrasive vacuum blasting technology reduces lifecycle costs, protects worker health, and minimizes environmental impact. Whether you're maintaining pipelines, prepping weld seams, or restoring painted surfaces, the PiCo pipe ensures precision cleaning and outstanding results every time. Accurate alignment and measurement are essential in construction, home improvement, and DIY projects. Whether you're hanging shelves, installing tile, or framing artwork, this tool saves time and delivers reliable accuracy. The Qooltek Laser Level Line Tool packs versatile functionality into one handy device. It features 3 laser modes: cross line, horizontal line, and vertical line, so you can align projects with precision. The built-in 250 centimeters tape measure extends easily. Just press the button to pull it out and lock it in place, or long press to retract it smoothly. 3 level bubbles, 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees ensure accurate leveling in any orientation. Metric and imperial markings offer convenient linear measurements for any task. Whether you're mounting cabinets, laying flooring, or aligning photos, this laser level simplifies the process and improves results. Compact and easy to use, the Qooltek Laser Level Line Tool is a must-have for professionals and DIYers who demand precision and efficiency in every project. Achieving perfectly level tiles can be one of the most tedious and physically demanding parts of any tiling project. Manually pushing wedges into clips takes time, causes fatigue, and often leads to inconsistent results. The Raimondi Tile Leveling Plier is the ultimate tool for effortless, precise tile installation. This innovative battery-powered plier eliminates the fatigue of manually pushing wedges into clips, making the RLS leveling system faster and easier. It features an adjustable design to fit various tile thicknesses and is comfortable for both left and right-handed users. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers smooth, maintenance-free performance every time you work. The 20-volt removable battery provides excellent runtime and optimal weight balance, so you can tackle large areas without interruptions. Whether you're installing floor or wall tiles, this plier ensures perfectly level results with minimal effort. Make your next tiling project faster, more accurate, and more enjoyable with the Raimondi Tile Leveling Plier, the smart solution for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whenever you cut plastic pipes or tubes, rough burrs and sharp edges are inevitable, and they can cause leaks, poor fittings, and even injuries if left untreated. The Spider BURR External Pipe Chamfer Tool is the superhero you need to defeat those stubborn burrs on plastic pipes and tubes. With its unique self-adjusting mechanism, this tool quickly removes rough outer edges, saving you time and frustration. No more struggling to set up or manually size your tool. It automatically adapts to fit the pipe's circumference. Designed for versatility, it works effortlessly on a wide variety of plastic pipes without being fussy about material or thickness. The working range of 3 to 4 1/2 inches makes it ideal for handling different pipe sizes with ease. Compatible with any power drill, the Spider BURR transforms chamfering into a fast, simple process. Whether you're preparing pipes for fittings or cleaning up cuts, this tool delivers smooth, professional results every time. Removing damaged or stripped screws is one of the most frustrating problems in any workshop or job site. Standard pliers and screwdrivers often slip, making the problem worse or damaging the surrounding material. The Unior HandTools Screw pliers deliver powerful grip and precision to remove even the most stubborn damaged screws. Made from premium plus carbon steel that's drop-forged, entirely hardened, and tempered, these pliers are built for durability and strength. The finely ground phosphate-coated head meets ISO 9717 standards for superior corrosion resistance. Double plastic-dipped handles provide a secure, comfortable grip during tough jobs. Equipped with double serrated jaws, both horizontal and vertical, they grab screws by the outer diameter with excellent hold, regardless of the head profile. The pliers are designed to tackle screw heads ranging from 3 to 11 millimeters in diameter, making them versatile for a wide range of tasks. Whether screws are stuck due to glue, rust, or over-tightening, these pliers make loosening and unfastening simple and efficient. When standard tools fail, Unior screw pliers get the job done. The ESSVE Hidden Decking System is an innovative solution for creating beautiful, seamless decks without visible screw heads. Unlike traditional methods, this system secures screws through the sides of the decking boards, delivering a clean, concealed finish while maintaining the same strength and durability you'd expect from top-down fastening. The system includes an installation tool, available in 2 sizes to fit timber widths between 85 to 110 millimeters and 110 to 150 millimeters, ensuring compatibility with most decking boards. Each tool comes with 2 custom bits designed for precise, easy installation. Screws are available in 50 millimeter lengths for boards 22 to 25 millimeters thick and 60 millimeters for thicker boards up to 34 millimeters. Simply clamp the tool over the board, drive the screws through the guides, and release to achieve a flawless concealed installation. With ESSVE, your deck looks professionally crafted and stays securely fastened for years to come. When you're working on ladders in tight spaces or handling detailed repairs, dropping screws, nails, or small tools can slow you down and create unnecessary hazards. The BINYA Tools Magnetic Wristband delivers convenience and support for all your projects. Designed with super strong magnets, it securely holds screws, nails, drill bits, and small tools, keeping everything you need within reach. Its one-size-fits-most design and wrist support construction provide comfort during demanding tasks. Whether you're working on a ladder, repairing at home, or handling electrical or mechanical jobs, this wristband helps prevent dropped parts and keeps your hands free for the job. Be ready, be efficient, be your tools. Demolition projects demand power, efficiency, and the right tool to tackle a variety of materials without constantly switching equipment. The Vaughan Rage Demolition Multi-Tool packs 7 powerful functions into one brutally effective design. Whether you're tearing out drywall, studs, tile, or plaster, the Rage quickly clears your workspace so you can finish the job faster. Replacing a hammer, sledge, pry bar, and nail puller, it saves time and money while multiplying impact force where you need it most. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, it's perfectly balanced to deliver maximum results with minimal effort. The forged high-carbon steel I-beam frame is heat-treated for superior strength and stiffness and built to withstand years of heavy demolition. A dual-density handle with a patented shape ensures excellent comfort, grip, and control, protecting your hands while you work. When you need to tear it up and tear it out, nothing stands up to the Vaughan Rage. Driving large ground rods has traditionally meant climbing ladders and swinging heavy sledgehammers, an approach that's slow, exhausting, and potentially dangerous. The iTOOLco Ground Rod Dog XL revolutionizes ground rod installation by eliminating ladders and sledgehammers. Available in 2 models, it safely drives 3/4 inch or 1 inch ground rods from grade level. Simply connect it to your hex shank jackhammer, insert the rod, and let the Ground Rod Dog XL do the work. Its unique design bites securely onto the rod, allowing you to drive it effortlessly. Once the rod is nearly flush, the end receiver finishes driving it to the final grade with precision. This tool not only saves time but also reduces strain and improves job site safety. Whether you're working on grounding systems for electrical, telecom, or utility projects, the Ground Rod Dog XL delivers consistent professional results. So there you have it, 12 essential tools that belong in every handyman's toolbox. Which one do you already use, and which one's going on your wish list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this list helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell because we've got more gear breakdowns, DIY tips, and tool reviews coming every week. Until next time, stay sharp, stay prepared, and keep building like a pro.